Okay, then Zen Rossi says, hey Ian, why can't owners of Token Metrics get NFTs for investing in your platform? Okay, if you're talking about the crowd fund, all I can say is stay tuned. You'll be getting something, or rather, you'll possibly be getting something much better than NFTs. That's all I can claim. Basically, just understand that if you're with us as investors in the crowd fund, and or even as early equity investors, we're with you all the way, right?
We just landed on the moon.
All the way to the moon and beyond. And actually, speaking of that, I forgot to even mention, we have so many things going on here at Token Metrics. Sometimes it's hard to keep up. We also have the crowd fund, which is now officially open. So if you go to wefunder.com/tokenmetrics, you can now officially send your money to the Token Metrics crowd fund. Right? So right now, as mentioned here, we have over 4 million in interest. The interest has been oversubscribed, but in terms of actually investing, your investment won't count until your funds have actually been sent. And that happens on a first come, first served basis. So be sure to go to wefunder.com/tokenmetrics and send your money. This is an SEC regulated crowd fund, right? So thank you for everything. Thank you for believing in us. Because as mentioned, we want to give our customers and our community a chance to own a piece of Token Metrics, right? So definitely make sure if you want to invest, you invest quickly before it's sold out. And as mentioned, there will be perks, right? I think it shows it here, right? These are the perks you'll be getting as an investor. And although not listed here, there'll be some other additional perks our team is working on. Stay tuned, but we think this will be, in our opinion, worth the belief in Token Metrics, right? Because we always like to make sure our community is winning, right? So stay tuned.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.